What else do you think you want?
Or maybe some taco.
Maybe some soft taco or hot?
Can I have 2 soft taco?
2 soft taco?
Yeah. A Baja Blast. 2 Baja Blast on.
Baja Blast.
2 Baja Blast.
Yes, please.
12.22.
Wow, it's a good deal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
What brand new LS?
Yes, sir.
Brand new.
LS3, 0 miles.
How much is that thing?
That doesn't look very safe.
It's not. Hey, I roll around my garage every day and it hasn't fallen off yet, so I'm doing something right. How many more days you got for this thing? 2.5 weeks?
20 days. Motor's still sitting here. Transmission doesn't get here till Friday, or the swap kit.
Well, there's a company out of California that's building a rat rod right now. They only give themselves 20 days, and they're like, get it done in 20 days. It's like,
Really?
I mean, you gotta think they probably have 9 guys on it.
When Max Bacon came up and brought over his welder from Gig Harbor, he came in and helped me weld the quarter panels, make the pizza slices, and bend that up, and then we painted it.
Yes! This is tremendous news.
The Cub?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Told you it would.
Dude, hell yeah. So, the rear set of the Felony forms that were sent to us were actually made for a different car. And he 2-day expedited over 2 new rears. It's supposed to be here on Friday. It's Monday now. And we got confirmation from UPS that they lost the package. I just got an email that 10 minutes ago they dropped off the package, so that's really awesome news. So, hell yeah. See, there's the other box. Let's see. Zwing! Beautiful.
This is way better.
Yeah.
Just look at that. Door jam's good the whole way down. It's just there's a little wave in the kit right here.
Yeah, I have to cut the bumper too. That's what the Dremel's for. With that $17 drill bit.
Yeah.
Oh, so stupid. Yeah, dude, this is way more flush than the last kit.
This is what's really getting me right here. Is how high it sits right here.
Well, that's because this is a convertible.
I'm not a filmer.
You got this, bro. I'm not a welder, but you hear me a welder, I tell you what, I'm gonna do some welding.
What is that tool?
It's a fucking skewer for like hot dogs. I just bent it.
Oh shit.
I was like, I just need like a bendy ruler.
I thought it was a tool they gave you. I was like, I've never seen that like this.
Yeah, so every 8 inches, you're gonna make a mark. And so here, if you would hold this for me.
I'm a fucking welder, man. I don't do math.
Oh yeah, finish off the spray can. Well,
job well done. You look at it from afar. Just don't make eye contact with it.
just don't get about this close, and it looks incredible. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're the man.
I got to hang out.
Yeah, I'm stoked we got to hang out. All right. You're the man. Everything is still out of the car. Nothing is done to it. It's still just a shell. After Max went home, the next day the Tremec T56 Magnum showed up, and I was really excited. And the guy like walked it in, like holding it with two hands, 140-pound transmission. Oh wow!
I'm just gonna set it right here.
Thank you. Exciting stuff, Jordan.
Another car part.
Just another car part to Jordan. It's not just another car part, Jordan. Then sticky parts started to come into the mail. I think the Optima batteries, chargers came in, and this is when we finally started to see stuff pour in. Thank you, Jordan.
All right.
Alright, this your crib, right?
Yeah, that's my crib.
Got a hollow bag?
What's up, boy? Hello. What's up, boys?
What's up there?
It's like real much.
You want to Snapchat it?
No,
Yeah,
but-
go ahead, man.
I'm about to post this up, be like, yo, Zach's built right now.
No.
How many tequila shots did you do?
Looks crazy, right? Yeah. Did you see the motor?
What's your time frame again?
2 weeks.
You want the bumper painted too, or?
Yeah. So this is all, holes are all drilled. So when this kit comes back, just rivets right on. They look okay?
Yeah, they're broken.
Oh, really?
Jonny from Box One Media came down from Vancouver, Canada to help out for the day, and he helped me film more of the Sicky install kit.
Should I order?
Yeah.
Should I order Taco Bell in a Chinese accent?
Sure.
What are we having though?
Gordita Crunch.
How may I help you today?
Could I have the Gordita Crunch box, big box?
The Gordita Crunch Big Box, and what to drink?
What do you want? What do you want?
Baja Black.
Do you have a Baja Black?
The Baja Blast?
Yeah, that one. I need
Do you
something
want to
eat.
share my burrito,
What-
or do you want something for yourself?
Can we have 2 burrito also?
What else do you think you want?
Or maybe some taco.
Maybe some soft taco or hard?
Can I have 2 soft taco?
2 soft taco?
Yeah. A Baja Blast. 2 Baja Blast on.
2 Baja Blast.
Yes, please.
12.22.
Wow, it's a good deal.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What the fuck is a Baja Blast?
Mountain Dew.
Why don't they just call it Mountain Dew?
Because there's regular Mountain Dew and then there's Baja Blast. Baja Blast is kind of like sacred at Taco Bell.
Whoa, what was that?
12.22?
Thank you.
That
Oh,
jig
do
is
you
up.
have a drink tray?
Yeah, just give me 1 moment, okay, sir?
Okay, no problem. There's your card. There's your visa.
No problem.
I need a drink tray.
It's just like the worst drink tray in the world.
Oh wow, you're telling me. It says Pizza Hut on side of it.
Yeah, this is a Taco Bell and a Pizza Hut.
Wow,
But Pizza Hut closes at 11.
that's a revolutionary. Well, you're having trouble with that box, man.
Yeah, this box is the worst.
Do we need sauce?
No.
Everything is.
No,
all
thank you.
good.
No, thank you.
Thank you. Ugh. I try to drive with all this food. It's already dangerous. I'm Asian.
I try to drive with all this food.
I'm already going to crash.
Need to be the camera pimp today.
You
want to explain why you dragged me out here?
Well, Johnny's a car guy, Johnny's a filmmaker. I need a car guy who's a filmmaker, who's a friend, that I want to have a part of my vlog series building my car. If I need a hand and I need my cameraman to help me, I can rely on my cameraman to help me out.
Yeah, I'll use the camera as a wrench. Or a hammer. I can use the lens as a hammer.
Can you bang off the drive shaft from the yoke?
Whoa! Is this that new tan color from 3M?
Yep.
So Zach, how do you set up a set for vlogging? Oh, that's simple, Johnny. I like to use tungsten light in one corner of the room, and then fluorescent lights in the other corner of the
That's
room.
the mood, you know. It kind of separates
So that
it. Makes
when
it
you
seem
look,
like the room is bigger.
when you set your white balance for one thing, one side of the room looks real nice, and then when you go to the other side of the room,
You gotta remember, I'm an interior designer.
it looks real
so
orange.
From what I've learned,
You're not an interior designer.
if you separate the light sources, the light temperatures, essentially you're creating what makes the room appear to be bigger than it is.
This room looks like a giant piece of poo.
Thanks, John.
Actually, no, this is really cool decor.
Don't you think?
Step 1, film an install vlog. Step 2, go to SEMA. This is how to build a SEMA car in 24 hours.
Yeah.
Starting now.
Now.
Before we get started, you're going to want to make sure you have all the parts necessary for your project. We pretty much removed the heat shield and took off the ABS pump.
I'm gonna kill you.
And it's 4:30 in the morning.
If I don't sleep soon.
I just hate film production sometimes because, yeah,
Because it sucks.
yeah, sometimes it really just sucks. I wish I had some of that burrito left still. That would have been good.
I need to take a nap.
Yeah, let's go sleep. Do you want to share my bed?